Do you need good audio? Do you need hassle-free audio? I think hassle-free is the best way to think of this. You get a lot of things in the kit, but the one thing that I think really makes the kit worthwhile is this. It's the audio system. So when I press this to switch it on, you'll just see the light turns blue. Then it's instantly connected to the unit and it tells me the battery level of the audio. If I press it one more time, you'll see that light turns green. That's noise cancelling on. One more time, noise cancelling off. So that's it. It's instantly connected. If I press it one more time, you'll see the unit tells me that it's disconnected now. So in my opinion, it's worth it. If you care about audio, the Creator Combo Kit is with this mic in conjunction with everything else in the pack, like the battery handle, the cap for the mic, the protective cover, and the bag. It absolutely makes the Creator Kit combo worth it. If you're thinking between the standalone unit and getting the Creator Kit, and you care about audio, then I think that this is something that you need to factor in your decision. So highly recommended, the Creator Combo, if you care about audio, hassle-free audio with this microphone that comes in the pack.